ASMR for you. Obviously, I'm just kidding. No ASMR on this channel. But what I am doing is creating some free transition sound effects for you that you can download today and start using in your videos. They're such a subtle and small thing, but they can create a huge difference when you're going from one clip to the next. They just make it so seamless when you add that small little transition sound effect. Now, I wanted to create some sound effects that you hadn't heard before, so I've gathered some stuff from around the house, my kitchen, and the office that I'm going to use to create all these different sounds today. And I also hope this gets the ball rolling for you so that you may think, hey, I can create my own sound effects, and you don't always just have to go out looking for ones to buy or find some nice free ones. So let's jump right into the creation of these sound effects right now. Don't forget to go download the free transition sound effects in the description below and hit subscribe while you're at it. I will see you guys in the next video.